Horses running from the intense flames of the 2017 lilac fire in San Diego County. No people were killed, but 46 horses were at a training facility. It was an awful thing to equestrian Dahlia McPhee, who designed the orange coat on her horse Wolfie.
But this is for like a quick evacuation.
In other words, if authorities tell a horse owner, let your horses go and get out of here now, which happens from time to time, the coat will help.
The fundamental difference between these two horses, this one, Picord, is wearing a green blanket that would burn in a fire, and this one, Wolfie, that jacket will not burn, made of the same kind of material basically the firefighters use.
Dahlia McPhee is an equestrian and a clothing designer. She put those two strengths together to come up with this fire coat for horses. McPhee has designed a horse coat with the same material firefighters use for theirs, Nomex, and the recent Woolsey fire that got into Calabasas caused her a lot of anxiety.
I was heartbroken, panicked and heartbroken.
That reinforced her feeling that creating a fire coat, which she calls EquiSafe, was an idea that was long overdue. With a coat like hers, the number of horses burned could be reduced. But also, the coat has a GPS device.
It goes in the this portion right here.
Which means the horse can be tracked down anywhere. McPhee says an emergency kit comes with it, with devices for charging and information on what needs to be done in a crisis.
So once it's charged, it's good for about 2 to 3 weeks on standby.
The horse, thanks to the GPS, will contact the owner.
It will tell you how fast he's going, kind of important. If he's gone into some area where there's just no reception, at least you know if he's still or not.
And it won't just tell you where the horse is.
It will text you the exact GPS coordinate.
The product is new. Yeah. McPhee says she'll sell it for cost about $190. The mask is separate. DahliaMcPhee.com is the place to get more information. And as for using this herself, she hasn't had to, thank goodness.
I want to have this on hand. I hope I never have to use it. But it's crazy, like I'd said, that we have fire extinguishers in our houses, but we don't have something like this for our horses.
Until now. And as for horses like this one, don't know if that means it's a winnie or a winner, but to Dahlia McPhee, it could be a lifesaver. In Calabasas, Hal Eisner, Fox 11 News.